Alright, now that we know what React is and for what purpose it is used, let's see why you might want to learn React. Well, the first reason is a practical one. It is one of the most popular UI libraries and is well known in the job market. Learn React and you could land that front-end developer job you've always wanted. Second reason is that React has a great community behind it. You will be able to find tons of articles and Stack Overflow solutions to most of the problems that you'll encounter when learning React. Next, let me touch slightly on the technical aspects of React and why it is a good choice. React has a component-based architecture. This lets you break down your application into small encapsulated parts which can then be composed to make more complex user interfaces. Components also make it possible to write reusable code for enterprise applications. The ability to reuse code is huge plus point. Another key point is that React is declarative. Now what does that mean? Well, basically you just have to tell React what you want through the code, and React with its React DOM library will build the actual UI for you. React will abstract away the difficult parts and make it painless for you to create complex UIs. So the bottom line is that the React will be a great addition to your skill set. Alright, with this introduction in mind, let's create our first very React application.